Hi, I welcome you to spend your valuable time listening to one of the growing innovators team Cyber Wizard's idea for Manthan on the problem topic event detection through CCTV footage. We know that India is a place full of growing minds, but with upgrading technologies, crime rates are also increasing in our day-to-day life, which is leading us to high challenges in finding proof for the crime event occurred. And we know that one of the most hardworking jobs is cybersecurity, who spends lots of their life for us. So, as an Indian citizen with great responsibility, we came up with an approach to solve the problem faced by our law enforcement officers in finding and collecting the proofs from CCTV. Our idea is to collect the footage of any resolution, even with the low resolution of QCIF 176 into 120 pixels, and to analyze and detect the event accurately from that footage which seems to be abnormal that can act as a threat to the public. We are going to innovate our project using some best tech stacks for best performance. We would start our project coding in the latest integrated development environment, Spider, using Python language that sits perfectly with the machine language. Then we will add algorithms like optical flow, spatiotemporal to detect the event with high accuracy. After successful completion in the coding part, we will train our model using support vector machine algorithm. At last, we run our model with the resources collected from CCTV footage, surveillance, the UCF crime dataset for testing whether our model will be running perfectly or not. And mainly, we targeted our idea in detecting number of frames, a snapshot of each frame and time snap of the provided video. Yeah, you might be thinking that this idea is similar to the existing projects. So that here comes our innovation. We have trained our model uniquely, providing total number of abnormal activities that have occurred in the inserted video. And one of our most important innovation and advantage is that we are making our model so easy to access, that is event detection through website. After thinking for a while, we have planned to improve our project in an advanced way by setting up an automatic alert system while detecting real-time abnormal activities by sending SMS immediately to the nearby police station, helping victims and police to take quick actions. Definitely, after hearing about our idea outline, you must be interested to know our development pipeline. We proposed our development plan first by inserting the video footage, then our model will analyze and convert that video into number of frames and detect the event by separating or classifying the events into usual and unusual activities, then providing them as output at last with time snap and description of the behavior that was detected in that event. To perform all this, we will be downloading some documents like Spider IDE, Python for coding and TensorFlow, which act as heart for our model. And we are happy to say that we are not using any third-party API for high security. Now, how our user interface will be? It will be so easy for user to use our portal. First, by logging in or signing up themselves in the website for high security purpose and for right usage by the person. Then users can upload the video for which they need to find the events. After all this uploading segment, the video will undergo processing, where our model will automatically detect the abnormal events and display the output to the user within short time. This link can be used for referring our idea. Now here comes the vision of our innovation. Our idea was developed using an optical algorithm to identify various events from frames with addition of spatiotemporal algorithm, which is used for developing our project detecting the events by calculating the correct dimensions accurately. Then after this, support vector machine algorithm is used to train the model. Now, all these concepts are executed in the Spider IDE as a whole. Even though many projects similar to our idea exist, we would boldly say that our project works well even in the low resolution of video provided. Then, there are apps for event detection which are quite difficult to access and install that can support only specific types of systems. So, to overcome this problem, we provide access to all the people with any type of operating system by running our model as website with high security. One of the interesting parts is this early stage innovation. Spatiotemporal is used for environmental modeling to predict the changes by separating the foreground and background for fast detection during masking of frames. Then we came across the idea of detecting events specifying criminal activities. To make it simple for identifying the events, we are displaying the description of behavior along with the output. At last, this idea requires around 2 to 3 months to produce the final model. I would like to conclude by saying that we are confident that our video explanation might have inspired you. Thank you.